everybody. Today, I'm going to tell you about a big episode that I forgot to press the start recording button. Oopsie! Well, as you can see, I forgot again. Our terraformation got quite higher as I was going along. We got a food grower going. We have food. We got a heater. We got this and moved our vegetubes upstairs. Then we got this progress screen. We got all these drills. And that's about it. Sorry that I very kind of not good that I forgot. I'll try and write some stuff down in here so I'll remember more, and I'll see you in the next one. For now, it's Enzo out. Wait, I forgot to tell you. And also, I also said in the last video, in the failed video, that isn't even technically a video, that to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also that next episode I will improve our equipment because all this tier 1 stuff